How to duplicate a layer style in Photoshop. To add a layer style, you can double click on a layer or click on the FX in the bottom of the layers palette. As you can see, there is a large list of layer styles or effects that you can add to typography or shapes or images. So for this, I'm going to go ahead and show you that you have the ability to move the window panel around so you can see the preview better on screen instead of in that little box on the sides. I'm adding a drop shadow. You have control of the blending mode, the size, the direction, the color. Just kind of trying some different options here. I'm also going to add a stroke or an outline to just add multiple effects to this text. I'm going to try some different sizes. I'm going to change it to the outside edge of the line. Just kind of trying a few things here. I'm going to change up the gradient overlay. So this might be fun. Photoshop remembers the last thing you used. So I'm going to go ahead and just pick one of the gradients that's already here. I'm going to try a few different ones. Then when I find one that I like, I'm going to go with it. Whenever you're happy with the look of your layer style, you're going to click OK. After you click OK, you're going to see in your layers palette how Photoshop has documented all the steps that just happened and saved all the settings on that particular layer. But now I want to duplicate what I just did without starting over on a new layer. In Photoshop, this is actually fairly easy. You could copy and paste the layer that you have and duplicate it again. But what I want to show you specifically is in the layer menu. So under the main menu of layer, if you look about halfway down, there is a section called layer style. This is where you'll see all the things we just did. You can actually copy the layer style, then click on the new layer that you want to paste it on. You do have to go back to the layer menu, click layer style, and paste layer style. So your normal edit paste will not work in this situation. You truly have to go to the layer menu. This again on the third layer, I'm just going to go layer, layer style, paste layer style. I didn't have to copy it this time because it was already saved. So what happens if I want to type something new? Grab my type tool, I click, I type something. Then we will see that we will have to go back and copy the layer style from a previous layer, and then go back to the layer menu, click on layer style, paste layer style,